Hello, good morning. Here we have to discuss one problem. Question number 17. Here we are provided, that is circle C1, C2 and C3. Circle C1 and C2, if we draw these two circles C1 and C2 intersecting at x and y, intersecting at x and y. Here center of this circle is 0 0, this is given 3 4, and if we draw this line, it may be taking C1 center, C2 center. If we take equation of xy, common chord xy is given by 6x plus 8y minus 18 is equal to 0, that is 3x plus 4y minus 9 is equal to 0. If we write it as L, that is C1L is equal to distance from this to xy 9 by 5 minus, that is 9 by 5. If we write distance, length of common chord xy, it will be 3, 2 times of 9 minus 9 by 5 square. It will come out to be 2 into 225 minus 81 by 25, 12, 24 by 5. Length of the chord xy. Here we have provided this circle C3. C3 is a circle which touches this as M and N and touches at these 2 points. It means it will be a diameter. It will be a diameter and center C3 will be taken as here. If we have to write radius 3, 5 and 4, that is MN is equal to 12, that is R is equal to 6 centimeter. We have 6 units. It means this R is equal to 6 units and center C3 will be given by, if we have to write equation of line MN, slope of MN, it will be 4 by 3, that is tan theta is 4 by 3. Cos theta is equal to 3 by 5, sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Center C3 will be 3, this is 3, this will also be 3 into parametric theorem, 3 by 5, 3 into 4 by 5, 9 by 5 and 12 by 5. Means we have HK center of circle 3, 9 by 5, 12 by 5. Here one more condition is also given, that is we have a parabola. X square is equal to 8 alpha y and tangent at M is also tangent to this parabola. If we have to write coordinates of M, that is it is midpoint of C3, M is 0 0, it means coordinates of M will be minus 9 by 5, minus 12 by 5. M will be minus 9 by 5 minus 12 by 5 Slope of tangent means perpendicular. This slope of tangent will be perpendicular to this line, that is minus 3 by 4. Slope of tangent at M will be minus 3 by 4. Now equation of tangent to parabola x square is equal to 8 alpha y is given by y is equal to mx minus am square. For here a is equal to 2, m is minus 3 by 4 x, 2 alpha m square 9 by 16, y is equal to minus 3 by 4 x minus 2 alpha 9 by 16, and it is touching at point minus 9 by 4 and minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by 5, 27 by 20 minus 9 alpha by 8, that is 9 alpha by 8 is equal to 27 by 20 plus 12 by 5. It will be 27 plus 48 divided by 20, 75 by 20. Alpha is equal to 75 by 9 by 8, 25, 25, 1, 5, 3, 5, 10 by 3. Here from the question we have 1, 2h plus k. 2h plus k is 18 by 5 plus 12 by 5 is equal to 6. Option P. In second, length of ZW, length of XY. Length of ZW. ZW is this point of intersection, that is ZW. Length of ZW will be, length of ZW is equal to 2 times of 6 square minus, length will be center to this common chord, and it will come out to be center to this one C3 to this L. C3L is equal to 27 plus 48 by 5 minus 9 by 5, and it will come out to be 6 by 5. So 36 by 25, 2 into 6 into 24 by 5, 12 into 2, 24 root 6 by 5. ZW is equal to 24 root 6 by 5 divided by XY. Length of XY we have written as 24 by 5 root 6. It is in option Q. It is in option Q. Now in fourth option, alpha is equal to 10 by 3, and in third option, area of triangle MZN, area of MZN divided by area of MZN and MZW. MZN means base into height 1 by 2, base is 12, height will be the radius, that is 6, divided by mzw. Zw is base. Zw is 24 root 6 by 5, and length from this to C3. No, it is to L. 3 plus this one distance C1L, 9 by 5. 9 by 5 plus 3, 15, 24 by 5. If we write it as 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel, 12, 2, 2 6, 3, it means 3 6, 8, 25 by 8 root 6. 25 by 8 root 6. 25 by root 86. It means if we have to give the answer of this question, in the options there were which option is incorrect, where which option is incorrect, but I hope we can write the answer of all the questions.